Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping, or we're looking at the Ace hardware tool deals, power tool deals. If you want to help out the channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more videos, make more tool reviews. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Basically how you get here is you go to acehardware.com. You click on the 4th of July sale now through July 13th. And then you click more. You go all the way down to power tools. Power tools 44. That's in my area. Might be different on yours. And that's how you get to this page. Alright, the first one. We got the Craftsman B20 Max Cordless. I guess 327. So from 409 goes down to 327. It's a nice kit because it does include a circular saw, a reciprocating saw, and an angle grinder, and it looks like a multi-tool on the back. So pretty much all the tools that you're gonna need, obviously an impact driver and drill driver. So obviously all the tools that you're gonna need basically to almost do every, DIY job out there. It's a great deal, but there's other deals out there you guys could get for around like a 6 tool or a 7 tool combo, 6 tool combo kit for like closer to $200. But then again, you are getting all the best, not the best, but the most important tools here, the basic important tools. For DIY, definitely worth it. Here's another one. It's Craftsman B20 Max Cordless 4 tool combo kit. It's really a 3 tool combo kit, $199. Like I said, there's other tools out there. Other kits out there. And then you got the Craftsman 4.5 angle grinder for $43.99. I guess if you're already on the line, if you already have a drill and an impact driver, pick that up. $43. Same thing with this. This is the Craftsman B20. V20 20 volt cordless oscillating toolkit for $139. I guess this one does come with the. It says add to cart to see final price. Yeah, I don't really like the add to cart to see final price. It's not really my thing. Okay, we got some Craftsman cordless 2 tool combo kit for $149. I'm gonna add this to the cart. See what it says here. All right, adding it to the cart. So $127 is not a bad deal. Not a bad deal there. But then again, there's other tools that you could get, even brushless tools that you can even get for that around that price. So then again, it's your preference. You got the brush version of the drill and driver, $79. Like I said, added to the cart to get a discount. You got the DeWalt Atomic Cordless Brushless 2 tool combo kit. It says extra $50 off. Ace Rewards member. Limit 4 on sale. So yeah, it goes down to, what is it, $50 off. So $30, $20 more. So yeah, it's not really a smoking deal. There's another section here I will go over where you can get a little bit better deals. I'm just looking at these deals for now. So you got the DeWalt 20 volt max cordless 4 tool combo kit. $419.99, $150 off. On sale, this one you get $100 off. Let's see here. Is it $100 off for $200? Extra $100 off. Rewards members. I guess you do get an extra $100 off. So $209. It's not a bad deal. Not a bad deal at all. And then this one you get an extra $80 off. So this is the Max XR. This one is definitely worth it. This one is, oh my bad. This one is definitely worth it. You get $80 off. So that is $220. Yeah, this one's definitely worth it. Because that's the XR brushless. It's one of the better tools. You got the Craftsman 7 1/4, $79.99. So $69.99. DeWalt Atomic cordless 20 volt impact circular saw or compact circular saw, $149, $20 off. Okay, we got an impact wrench kit. Yeah, this one's a good one here. It's a 1/2 inch impact. This is a brush. It looks like a brushed version. Yeah, they are barely introducing brushless on this part. So quantity to see if add to cart to see if view in cart to check out. So it went down from $199. Let me see. Let me get this out. Minus. So if okay, there we go. So $159, guys. Definitely a great deal. If you're a DIY, that's definitely an item you want to get. All right, you got the Jigsaw, $69.99, $59.99 basically. This one's $119. The Craftsman 21-inch corded belt sander, or yeah, 21-inch by 3 corded belt sander, $64.99. You got the Milwaukee M12 cordless 2-tool combo kit with $169.99. Ace Rewards member or earn a free M12 lithium battery with the purchase. So you do get a battery with this purchase. And this one you could get for $300. I guess this is the kit with the battery and the charger. This one $100 off. You get it for $4.99. And this one's you get it for $300 basically. So that's the DeWalt Max XR brushless 2-tool combo drill driver kit. And then you got the Craftsman corded reciprocating saw, $79.99. All right, let me look at the other one that I saw earlier. So I'm gonna go back shop now. All right, so this is the power tool section from Craftsman. It's a lot better deals than the previous that we were at. So we do have the 327 deal from the other side. That the other page that we saw right now. It's pretty much the same page. So there's a 7-tool combo kit, not a bad deal. Here, this is a good deal. You get the Craftsman V20 cordless brushless 2-tool combo kit with an impact driver and 20 volt kit. So you're getting a two brushless tools for $159, 2 batteries, and a charger in a bag. This one's a good deal. I don't know if you guys know, but DeWalt is Craftsman is pretty much the same as DeWalt. It's not the same, but it's made by the same company. So it's like if you're getting DeWalt tools basically, and you are getting brushless. So one of the better Craftsman out there. All right, so that's a great deal. You got the Craftsman 6-inch battery chainsaw looper kit, $149. So that is, never seen this before. You got a battery up here. Here's the trigger. And there's the little chainsaw, I guess. Nice. All right. Another one. You got the Craftsman V20 Max cordless 4-tool combo kit. So I wouldn't say that's the best deal, unless these are brushless tools. No, they're not. They're brushed. See, for $159 you get 2 brushless tools up here. These are the brushed tools. You can see by this it's longer. So this is the brush tools for $149.99. See, for $10 more, get your brushless. You got Craftsman brushed battery string trimmer, $139. So it doesn't look that bad. I believe if you go to the stores, I don't know if they have them here. Oh yeah, they have them here. You can get Craftsman 90. You can get a blower and a string trimmer for $127. So this is definitely a much better deal than just picking up this by itself. I believe, yeah, they're different ones, I think. Yeah, they're different ones, but still for a small yard. All right, you got the Craftsman Brushless 3-speed impact driver kit with 17 pounds, 1,700 pounds. $135.99. It's not a bad deal. Like I said, $20 more. A little bit more than $20 will get you this. So I would definitely go for the top one. You're getting a lot more. You're getting this and plus a drill driver. All right, you got the Craftsman 20 volts brushed cordless drill driver. $79. Obviously, it's gonna be less if you add it to the cart. I'm not gonna add it to the cart because not really into that tool. Craftsman B20 20 volt max cordless or 20 volt cordless compactor driver. So $119 for this one. Like I said, not a bad deal for that. You got the blower here, which is different. See, this is a much better tool than this. Well, not a much better. You got 350 CFM. This one's 340. So it's not really a lot of difference. I would say this is just an upgraded version of that. Same thing with this. This one's a much better brand or better upgraded version of that. Got the Craftsman B20 or 20V Max 12-inch battery chainsaw, $179. You got the Craftsman 22-inch 20 volt max or 20 volt battery edge trimmer, $149. You got the circular saw, $69. You got the Craftsman 2 lithium ion battery and charger starter kit, 3-piece, $109. And then you got the impact driver, 2 batteries for $99. Let me add this to the cart, see how much money is this. So $79.99, not a bad deal. Let me add this to the cart, see how much this is. Viewing cart. Alright, this is $103. So then again, you guys see the difference pretty much. This is the 2 amp hour, 2 amp hour. You get another charger for $20 basically. That's the way it is. So you just gotta shop around and look at what you need, what you want. Like I said, I would definitely consider the $159 deal. It's probably the best deal out of the whole thing here. Let's see here. Got the battery there, 2 amp hour for $69. You got a Jigsaw, $69. A 1/2 inch impact driver bare tool, $129. So then again, definitely consider the kit. Yeah, that's it. Anyways, that's it for today. I just want to show you guys. Definitely recommend this kit, guys. It's a super smoking deal. If you guys are if you guys like Craftsman, like the colors, like the brand, you know, obviously this is made by a reputable brand. It's Stanley Black & Decker, which makes DeWalt. So I would definitely recommend that. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you guys want to help out the channel so we can buy tools like this, make more videos. All right, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.